Hello, this is Sami Moravich. It is Project Wiki of CS50’s programming with Python and JavaScript. Okay, first I run the Django server and now refresh the page. Okay, this is the home page. As the specification says, Wiki slash title should redirect us to the title. For example, Wiki, and as you see, it redirects us to this entry. And for example, now if I type C++, which doesn't exist, it will show me an error message. As the specification says, this is the error message. And here the entry function first use util list underline entries function to search if that entry exists in the files. Then it will use get entry to uh, retrieve the content of that title. Okay, the next part, index page is the home page, and now all the entries have linked to that content, to its contents. Okay, now in search, for example, I search for Python and it redirects me to the Python page. I, for example, now search for CS, which doesn't exist, and it shows the best matches. And on here, I can click and I will go to the CSS page. Then the new page here, it is a new page link. I, for example, type C++. I C++, for example, is a language. Now I save it. It shows me the content of this page. For example, now if I want to save a page that does exist, it will me show an error. For example, Python is a language, and it shows me an error that it already exists. You can edit it if you want. Okay, uh, on edit page, I will go to home. For example, I click on here. For example, Django. Here I have the button to edit the entry. I will go to the entry editing page, and this box is pre-populated existing uh, with the existing content of that Django. For example, Django was built in, and when I apply change, and as you see, I am redirected to the page, and it shows me the new content. Okay, on the random page, it shows me the random page, as you see, and ultimately Markdown to HTML conversion is done by this package Python Markdown tool that you can see in my code. Thank you.